Through design innovation and precision engineering, Celsi has captured every natural element and characteristic that embodies fire. This has been stunningly reproduced and encased behind sleek glass walls. Celsi DLX electric fires now combine sensational flame effects with natural oak logs. Each log is split to reveal the unique character of the oak. Chosen for its deep rich color, distinctive textured bark, and coarse wood grain, hardwood oak showcases a beautiful and truly natural finish for these premium electric fires. Select from a range of 16 color presets, plus optional customization on flames, logs, and embers. Or simply choose to relax with a slow cycle through the color spectrum in our fully immersive animation mode. Control your fire from your smartphone or tablet with full handset functionality. Operational noise is kept to an absolute minimum with our quiet, smooth-running heating system. Our showroom network of independent retailers is exclusively selected to display our products. They can demonstrate and discuss with you the suitability of a DLX fire for your home. For experienced customer service and installation satisfaction, please contact your nearest Celsi DLX retailer. Visit us at celsielectricfires.co.uk.